Good. You don't happen to have a gun in your bag, do you?
No, sir.
Okay. You mind if I look real quick?
In my purse?
Mm-hmm.
No.
I said there's a black female with a red pants that had a gun. You can keep eyes here.
What's she wearing?
What car do you drive?
I drive a white BMW.
White BMW. Okay.
What's she wearing?
Okay.
1365 Smyrna. What is she wearing again?
So we have black female wearing a tan hat, I believe a black shirt and red shorts.
Something happened outside in the parking lot.
In the parking
You're
lot.
describing your clothing.
Yeah, but I haven't done anything. I just came in.
That's why you're not in handcuffs, because I don't know that you've done anything either. I just know that something just happened out there. Yeah. Hey, I understand that.
Yeah,
I need you to stand right here. Just stand right here. She's wearing a tan hat and red shorts. Show me anybody else in this whole building that's wearing a tan hat and red
I don't
shorts.
have on a tan hat. I have on a black and white hat.
And they said that the person walked into Best Buy. They described him as a black female wearing a tan hat and red shorts.
Yes, sir.
You were the closest person that fits that description.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm just saying, just for the time being, just stand right here.
We're about to go back outside and talk.
Not to make me use the bathroom by myself.
Basically, somebody just pointed a gun at somebody in the parking lot. The other person who got the gun pointed, she's standing out there.
Okay.
And she said, the lady who pointed a gun at me is a black female wearing red shorts and a tan hat.
Yeah, baby. The restroom, because I'm about to.
Well, I can't let you go in there.
Oh,
That's why I just explained the situation, so I just need you to walk up here to the front. If I can determine it's not you, then
Tan hat, black shirt.
just walk up here to the front.
Right outside there where Trevor is.
Okay.
Confirming out with her agenda.
Well, we're going to walk outside. She's going to tell me if it's her. Will you just walk right out the front door?
Walk out the front door.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want, I know you haven't paid for those. You can put them down.
Yeah.
Right over here.
Confirming it is her.
That's her. What we talking about?
She's in that little car. Yep.
The gun is probably in the car.
Yeah, for they're saying that's her.
Do you mind if this officer looks inside your purse?
I don't want them looking in my purse when there's no reason to look in my purse.
Well,
I know my rights.
I get you.
understand
That's
that.
fine. That's fine. We're not
Yeah,
arguing.
baby, I know my
Okay.
rights. I'm
Well,
not-
at this point, you're in investigatory hold right now.
What's that?
It means you're basically being detained.
Relax,
And
relax.
you're
relax,
being
relax.
I'm
investigated.
being detained?
Just
I'm
like you
removing
say-
this purse
just
from
like
you.
you say you know your rights. We're giving you the right to tell you what we're
And I'm gonna
what's
talk-
going on.
Why you got my
I'm
arm
taking
like
the-
this?
Ma'am, no,
I'm removing the purse from you.
Why?
Okay, you're being detained until we figure out anything further. Because somebody said,
That lady pointed me and I didn't do anything to her.
it's locked, damn it. I got the arm.
No, don't reach for your purse. That's it. That's
I
it.
thought I was bringing
That's it,
something
that's
to
Okay, calm down.
Hey, you want to put it in front of my body?
You said she pointed at you?
Yes, sir, she pointed something at me.
Who did?
And the lady with the brush, she called me a bitch.
Okay. Where's your white BMW?
Is it this third car on the right here?
I can't get that damn thing to let go. There we go. We're just going to have a seat in his car until we get everything figured out, okay? You're not going to jail or anything right now until we figure out a little bit further, but you are being detained because you matched the description we were doing, okay?
Can you describe what the gun looked like?
It was probably about this big, black,
Black.
and she did like this.
Did it look like a revolver or like a normal modern type pistol, like a semi-automatic type pistol?
It was
like,
it was one of the thick ones. I'm not sure.
Did it look like similar to what police carry?
The one that they said was a red Scion, or the one he was out with, right? A red vehicle of some sort. But she said white BMW. You see a white BMW anywhere? So listen, the best thing to do is just listen and follow instructions, and then everything goes okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Because if somebody claims something outrageous and they're the one who's causing the problem, we don't know that until we get here and find out, right?
To get to the Chinese place. Yeah, right here. She stopped the car. If she stopped it and said, "Did you call me a bitch?" I said, "Yes, I did." And she said, "Well, you the one that bitch and this and that." I said, "I'm a good one," and we walked on in.
And the girl did like this.
She was waving
I
it.
saw the
Wave
gun.
the gun.
At any point, did she point it towards you?
She waved it like,
Like waved it towards you?
yeah, like this. Just letting us know that she had the gun, yeah.
Yeah,
1407 11015.
I wasn't pulling away from you guys.
Like I explained earlier, okay? That means you didn't follow lawful commands when we're telling you not to tense up, not to go in your purse, not to pull away. You lied about the vehicle you were in originally. You lied about being in an altercation with somebody outside originally. curbside pickup, then they can tow it. Come with me. We'll go right to my car.
Well, let me leave my stuff there so he can get it.
What stuff?
So he can
Get what?
get my money and my sister.
This is all going with you because it is your property. And then when you were told not to reach in your purse, you immediately tried to reach in your purse.
No, I was trying to drop. Look, I was trying to drop my keys and tell y'all that I had rights. It was not reaching in my purse to get anything.
Okay.
I was dropping the keys in there.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now? I know you've already started explaining the situation, but
I don't have anything.
will you give me consent to search your car?
Search the car?
Uh-huh.
I've never seen her. She put 2 down on the shelf.
Oh, look. A Glock.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, what are you doing?
Right now, you're going to sit in the back of my car so I can transport you when we're ready to do that.
Why?
Because you're going to jail because you're under arrest. 1407, check a serial on a 69. Wow, that's an X-Acto knife. That would have sucked to get cut by.
What do you mean, do I want to be choosing?
Well, the gun is in your purse. And Patricia's not your name. So now you're getting false statement and aggravated assault charges.
Aggravated assault on him?
Yes, ma'am. And then there's...
Pull your camera over there and see that I
God bless it. Oh my God. Maria Brown, Maria Brown, Maria Brown, Maria Brown, Maria Brown, Maria Brown.
The date was March 4, 2025, and at 4 p.m., a shopping center in Georgia became the scene of a terrifying confrontation. It began when a woman in a Toyota Scion cut off 2 other drivers in a parking lot. Following a brief exchange of words, the suspect decided to escalate the situation by flashing a handgun before calmly walking into a nearby Best Buy. Officers quickly flooded the area and located a woman matching the description. For over 15 minutes, she maintained a defiant facade, repeatedly lying about her identity and denying any involvement in the altercation. However, her web of lies unraveled when the victims positively identified her, and a subsequent search of her purse revealed the firearm. The suspect, eventually identified as Maria Brown, was arrested on the spot. She now faces serious felony charges, including aggravated assault, false statements, and obstruction. It was a stark reminder that flashing a weapon isn't a power move, it's a one-way ticket to jail. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.